Hello everyone, I hope all are good. Welcome to AJ Digital World, where you can get the whole information regarding digital marketing and their tool. So with the help of tool you can earn money online. If you want to learn this kind of knowledge and best earning online method, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, link in the description box.
Today I want to share a wonderful earning website where you can participate in the contest and earn money. SQUADHELP. SQUADHELP is one of the numerous organizations that assist clients with thinking of business names, logos, and mottos through the intensity of publicly supporting. For the most essential bundle. How would you bring in cash from SQUADHELP? Present your thoughts. In naming, trademark, or then again logo challenges. Challenge holders. Rate your thoughts. Also, give criticism. Gain money grants. On the off chance that your thought is chosen by the organization. Gain identifications and focuses. What's more, boasting rights. At the point when your thoughts are loved. SQUADHELP is another site that will pay you for your good thoughts around business names and logos. This startup was as of late named by Inc. magazine as one of the 6 most inventive organizations on its yearly Inc. 5000 rundown. This is what you have to know before beginning with the free assistance. How accomplishes SQUADHELP work? SQUADHELP permits you to have marking rivalries to draw in with the most inventive individuals over the globe and get excellent outcomes, quick. A huge number of creatives contend with one another, recommending incredible name thoughts. Toward the finish of the cooperative challenge, you select one champ. How would you participate in a challenge on SQUADHELP? So as to participate in a challenge, it would be ideal if you click on the Submit Entry button on the challenge page. You will have the option to submit sections, in view of your permitted limit. Your most extreme number of sections is controlled by your nature of past entries. So start today and take an interest in the challenge and procure cash online. WTH the groundbreaking site SQUADHELP, link in the description box. So subscribe to my channel and share the video. I trust all of you are getting a charge out of the video and learn the best procedure of gaining cash on the web. Much appreciated. Thanks.